friends, welcome to my channel Hidden Galaxy. It's chess time! Today we're going to show you the 4-move checkmate, also called as Scholar's Mate. Previously in our channel, we saw the Fool's Mate or the 2-move checkmate. Fool's Mate is not much common to happen unless someone is totally new to chess. The Scholar's Mate that we are going to cover today is most likely to happen as beginners fall for it often and learn it the hard way. First, let's cover some basics. Let's see how to set up the chessboard. The bottom left square for each player has to be the black square. Also remember, the white king has to be on the black square, which is the 5th position E square. The white queen is on the left-hand side of the king, followed by the bishop and the knight and the rook. On the right side of the king, we have the bishop, the knight, and the rook. And we have the pawns lined up in the front. Now for the black. The black king is placed opposite from the white king and followed by the queen on the right side. The most common opening strategy is to move the e-pawn like this. This will let the queen to move across freely and even the bishop to move across freely. The knight can also move freely. Let's say if this was our opening move, it will only let the rook to move like this. If this was our opening move, it will let the bishop move like this. If this was our opening move, it will let the king move like this. Only moving like this, we let the queen and the bishop to move freely at the same time. Let's get the Scholar's Mate. In Scholar's Mate, we always target the f-pawn because the f-pawn is the weakest pawn. F-pawn is weak because it's only defended by the king. If we look at the d-pawn, it is defended by the king, queen, bishop, and knight. One might say the g-pawn is also defended by only one, the bishop. But the f-pawn is the weakest because it's near to the king that's the usual target. For the Scholar's Mate, let's target the f-pawn. White starts with the best opening move in his e-pawn like this. Now let's say black mimics the white's move. White replies by moving his bishop to target the weak f-pawn. Now black responds by moving his knight like this. Now white moves his queen to attack the weak f-pawn. Now black carelessly moves his knight to attack the queen. Now the weakest f-pawn is surrounded by the queen and bishop. Now white makes his move by moving the queen to attack the f-pawn. And checkmate to the king. Bye friends, thank you for watching. Hope you liked my video.